Okay. Open your box.
This is all it is.
What is it?
Only a ball, a container, dynamos. Is that what they're called?
Dominoes.
Dominoes. And a hanger. That's all it is.
That's all it is?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Would you please open it up and tell me, how could we use those what if we found those in the, what if we found that stuff in the jungle? How would Bear Grylls use that?
Shoot this.
Oh my gosh, how could we use this stuff for surviving or something?
That will be awesome if these. Hey, I need that.
Well, go get it. What is that?
A hanger.
Well, what are you going to use it for?